The Advocate section of our newly designed website provides valuable insights into TAA's legislative efforts and also shares how you can get involved. To log in, go to the top right corner. You will sign in with your email and password. If you do not know these, follow the prompts on the left-hand side. And you now have access to member information. The key features on the Advocate page includes the legislative priorities, testimony, and the Political Action Committee, or PAC. You can also find the recap of February's Legislative Day at the Capitol. Our legislative priorities keep you informed about key issues impacting the Texas rental housing industry and TAA's advocacy efforts to protect and support your business and the community. When you click here, you can view the top legislative priorities, the priority legislation currently in effect for squatters and the eviction reform, and you can read more on each of these topics. You can also view the testimonies and discover how TAA represents the rental housing industry by providing expert testimony on critical issues shaping policies and regulations in Texas. When you click on testimony, you can filter by topic, committee, hearing date, and watch or read written or recorded hearings. The Political Action Committee, or PAC, strengthens our advocacy by supporting candidates who champion a thriving rental housing industry and community growth in Texas. Once you're logged in as a member, you can donate to the PAC, and you can find FAQs, PAC benefits, and see our 2025 PAC contributors by level. You can also browse the Advocate overview page to find your priorities as well, and also find helpful links where you can identify your state representatives and even get registered to vote. Engage with the advocacy section of the TAA website to get informed and participate in shaping the future of Texas rental housing.